How to manage your posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down, click settings, and here just click scroll down and click activity log, and here you will find manage your posts. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage your posts on Facebook Lite, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.